Hey, Ezzy, who braided your hair last night?
Sammy and Mommy.
Yeah, and we braided it so that it would dry and look all cute and crazy like that. Do you like it like that?
Yeah.
Yeah? Where are we going right now?
I don't know.
You don't know? We're gonna go get lunch with Sammy. We're gonna go to Wingers. What did we do this morning?
Play-Doh.
No, what did we watch on TV?
Play-Doh. I want Play-Doh.
I know you want Play-Doh, but we watched Conference.
I don't want Conference.
Oh, yes you do. Good morning, everybody. So we spent the morning watching General Conference. It is something that our church does on TV every 6 months, and I love Conference Weekend. It is my favorite. You just get like spiritually uplifted, and you get to hear from Latter-day Prophets, and I just love it so much. So it is Saturday today. We do it Saturday and Sunday, and we just watched the first session. There's 4 sessions, 5 if you count the men's session. And now in between sessions, we are gonna go get lunch with Sammy. She wants to go to Wingers, that's what she's craving, and that's where we're gonna go.
All right, guys, we're here, we're sitting, we're at Wingers. Did you guys know that they serve your popcorn when you sit down at the table?
Did you guys also know Tyson was a manager of a Wingers for many years?
It's bringing back some memories sitting here. Some serious memories. Can I help you? Oh, you want the popcorn right here. Okay, there you go. We're good. Oh, what do you got? You little sneakster over here. Az, what was your favorite part of lunch?
She didn't even have any dessert.
Yeah. You want dessert? But you didn't eat all your noodles.
Only dessert only. Hey Scarlett, tell everybody what you just helped me do.
Bonkies.
Bonkies? What did you help me do?
Bonkies.
No, you cleaned. You guys, this place was a disaster. Like, oh my gosh. Esme, what are you doing? Esme! It doesn't know where to go, it's just going in circles. Esme! Girls, where did you learn that? Oh, it turned off.
Because that's why you didn't learn us.
I did not learn that, you're right. You girls are silly. Alright, Sammy's last night in town and she is cooking us dinner. Sammy, what are you making us?
Mommy!
Alfredo sauce and noodles.
Woohoo, we are having Alfredo. And then me and Sam got ourselves like some chicken cordon bleu thing that looked really good. Yes, dear?
I want a treat.
Oh, you're about to have dinner, you monkey. You can't have a treat.
I want one.
Look at their hair though. Sam braided all their hair last night and then we took it out. And look at how pretty it looks.
I want
Sammy's letting the girls help her cook. So every 6 months, like I said, our church has a general conference where we hear from the leaders of our church, and it goes over a weekend, so Saturday and Sunday. So today is Saturday, like I said, and on Saturday night, once a year, so in the spring, all the men go to like a men's conference. So Tyson left to go with one of his brothers to the men's session, and then in 6 months, it's the women's session. So we're just hanging out girls' night tonight. Don't eat me, she just said. She's yelling at that thing and she just said, don't eat me. Did it try and eat you? What? Where did they learn this stuff? Esme, where did you learn to do that?
Mommy, can I have a turn? You don't let me have a turn.
Oh, she's not?
I want to have a turn.
You yelled at it to not eat you, Scarlett. All right, Indy's going for her first ride. Let's see, Indy. Where are you going? Indy!
My turn now.
Indy, where's it taking you?
But 5, My turn, But out,
That's probably not good for her, but it's too funny. Indy, it's going crazy! Okay, here goes Scarlett. It's going backwards. Roomba for the win. It's taking you backwards. Her tongue is turning blue? Is she violet? Should we juice her? All right, Sammy made these girls some dinner and they got noodles. Is it hot? Blow on it. Sauce with noodles and it's so yummy. And me and Sam made us some chicken to go with our noodles. Ooh, oh, fogged up the lens. Yum. Okay, I'll get you a hair tie for your hair. And we put a pie in the oven.
No, I need to wipe it for my carrots in the mouth. It would turn into the bunny. I like carrots.
You like carrots?
Because it turned into a bunny.
Doing good.
If I turn into a carrot.
You're gonna turn into a bunny if you eat all the carrots?
Mommy, I don't like carrots.
Why? They're yummy.
No, they're not. And broccoli is the vegetable. Chicken noodles.
Yep.
Soup. And chicken noodle soup. I like carrots and chicken noodle soup.
Yeah?
This one's falling off already. Maybe cooker. And a big one.
Yeah? I'm letting you guys know what a normal conversation is at dinner time here.
Can I go this one? What is this?
Nope, you have to eat all your food if you want to go in the hot pool.
Look at all of that.
Good job, Indy. Sammy's making carrots. Who's gonna try them? You're funny, Abby. Oh, thank you, Sammy, for making me dinner.
Mommy, served me with her Skittle.
Well, that was nice, Indy. Indy finished all her food, so she got a Skittle. Oh, that was nice. She didn't have to do that. Indy, you're a sweet sister.
Mommy, can I see Indy's book?
Yeah. See?
Can I see it? Can I see it? Can I? Oh my gosh, yay, Indy!
Yay, Indy. Oh my goodness.
I need brown sugar.
I almost put my foot out.
You're welcome. You guys are crazy and out of control.
She's so proud that Scarlett just finished her noodles. She started jumping around going, I'm so proud, I'm so proud. All right, we are officially outside. It's a beautiful night. I've got 4 girls in the hot tub. Me and Sammy are eating dinner over here.
It is so good.
Is it so good?
Yeah, it's really
Look at this chicken. It was like stuffed with all sorts of yumminess. So I'm really happy about this. The girls are happy about that. And we get to have dinner in peace. forgive the horrible lighting from my lamp, but this is what you're getting right now. We have had a good couple of days with our conference weekend. We have loved that. We feel spiritually uplifted. It's been so fun. If you guys want to learn more about our faith, it's in the description below, so you guys can go and click on the link over to our church's website there if you have any interest, or you can just send me or Tyson private messages on Facebook if you have interest in learning more. And thank you guys so much for watching. We've had so much fun having Sammy here, and the girls have loved having her here. She's such a great help. Sad she's got to go back, but she's got 4 kids of her own, so she had to go back home. And yeah, I hope that you guys have a great night. Make sure you guys are hitting that subscribe button and that you guys are giving us the thumbs up. And I promise the lighting, poor Scarly, the lighting in tomorrow's video is not going to be this yellow. All right, guys, we love you, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.